Okay, we're here at the Hub Stadium in Novi, Michigan. We got a Schindler elevator. We're up at the second floor, and they got ice curling up here. It's pretty cool. It's a big sports bar and entertainment center. Football, bowling, axe throwing. It's pretty cool, actually. There's the phone. Okay, we'll go back up to 2 one more time. We're gonna get ourselves a cab view. It's a pretty nice elevator. It's in pretty nice condition. Let's go up one more time. Schindler. Let's look at the interlock real quick. 0105 and Schindler's logo. Okay, that'll be it.